We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, USD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side, is a bearish red candle. Could be working his way down further. So we do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. So current price is sitting at 0.99747. So let's zoom in to see what's going on. May have to move the SR line just a bit. So price action we can see is a bearish red candle working its way down. It did stop at that SR line of support. Price action candle is also a bearish red doji. So we can see that market is indecisive side by side with the second last candle and some of third to last candle wick. So there's a few things that's going on in the market in that area we'll talk about in a second. So if price action reverse in that area and it work its way up, we can see price can head up to back in that overall area to price of 105,132. And if price work its way down, it head down to the numbers nearing 0.95203, and we can see prices on that midpoint if we put that SR line back to where we had it at earlier. So let's draw out what we see. So price action is coming down from a pattern, multiple pushes to that top. So we did have a break and retest, so that's identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg, and we do have that fourth leg, and that mark is in that trend direction of this area here for one push, two pushes, and this is the third push, but we didn't receive the retest yet. So market, before it makes it back up to that full SR line, market can come back to retest at least this midpoint area here, or identify some type of retest and then push down further. So price can head back up to numbers of 1.02526 before coming down further for that third push. If not, market can consolidate sideways, or we could receive that reversal. If so, that means we're looking for that first leg, which in red we'll start seeing bullish green candles work his way up. For that second leg, may retest the top and work his way up for that incline W formation. Walking down to the weekly time frame, let's see what's going on. So on the weekly time frame, if price action does go up from this area, so we do have that reversal for that decline double bottom, market can make it to the price of 1.02481, and if price works its way down further and close out below the second last candle, it can work its way down towards 0.99409 or lower. And let's say that market does receive that reversal and work its way back up, we'll be seeing that market identify that decline W for that first, second, third. We want to see that fourth leg break that SR line, retest, and then work its way up for the next level. Now, if not, then we can see that market work its way down further, which will be looking like this. So if that market does work its way down further, we'll just identify the break and retest, break, retest, and then break this area, retest the bottom. Before it breaks and retests, it keeps on working its way down further. But remember, we did stop at a major SR line within this area, so let's put a zone in that area now so we can remember as we walk down the time frame, because price was sitting somewhere on it. Walking down to the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is identifying as a bearish red candle, very small, which is a doji. So markets definitely did tag that area multiple times, and we did receive a break or retest. And if that market does push down further, we want to see price break that area numbers of 0.98952 and work its way down to the next current SR line in white, which would be 0.97856. And if we do have that momentum for that market to be respected, it's coming from a pattern of that first, second, third, fourth retest. And if it's respect this SR line, market's coming back up. So if it heads back up on the daily time frame, price can head back up to numbers of 1.01174 before heading to the next SR line, which we did create an earlier time frame of 1.02481. Or we can see that consolidation in that area. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. Price action on the 4-hour time frame is identifying the same as the daily, so it's just market just consolidating with the last few candles. So we just put this area in a box, and we can see that market consolidating above that SR line and below that SR line. So we want to see if that pattern is going to respect for that W and push out, or it's going to respect for a break and retest and break down through that zone. So remember, once we hit the 4-hour time frame, we start to see that consolidation the same way as the 3-hour time frame. Price action of the 3-hour time frame is a bearish red candle, which is a doji, and side by side with the second, third, and some of the fourth last candle to market that consolidation. So it's just trying to respect for that support of that first, second, and if it respects for that third leg, market can spike up. If it receives an engulfment to the the fourth to last candle in the market, but that will be eventually breaking out. So we'll identify that unless we receive that market work its way down to engulf the numbers of 0.99629 and then work its way down to the next yellow SR line, which will be 0.99409. Headed down to 2-hour time frame. Price action on the 2-hour time frame. So from the 4-hour time frame down, everything that we see is going to be areas of consolidation until we receive that pattern that's going to push that market up or down. So as we walk down from the 2-hour time frame and down, we're going to definitely see dojis. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, last candle, all weak candles, all within each other, all dojis. Or if it's not a doji, it's all within each other side by side, what's creating that consolidation. So we can box this area again, and we can see that market's consolidating as we walk down the time frame. So we definitely want to see the market breaks out of this as we walk down the time frame. So far we're receiving patterns, market spiking at bottom of that support multiple times. We're receiving engulfment towards the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh candle in the market on a 45-minute time frame. Market can work its way up. We get to see the same as well, consolidation, market just getting real tighter, candles extending, doji side by side. So that's all consolidation. Try to draw something out for you guys as we walk down the time frame. So to the 5, we can see that market's drawing out multiple pushes down to that bottom, starting from this area here. We do have a major spike down first, second, third, fourth, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. If it's push respects, market's coming from that triple bottom. If not, market's coming from multiple pushes to that top, but we'll talk about that on a 3-minute time frame, which will be identified as a double top. So first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest, and then we'll see that market push down. But as we walk down the time frame, you just want to see the market engulfs the previous areas of those sections. So that market engulfs this, we know it's going to head up to the next level and so on. So you're just looking for a break and retest of that zone we just created on a 3-minute time frame. And same as the 1-minute time frame, just looking for the breakout to the highest area, that high, or the lowest area, that low. Okay, guys, please study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy, very important information. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. EUR USD.